Stocks ended the day mixed here today, following some mixed earnings reports as well as a decline in weekly jobless claims, and also ahead of the government's monthly employment report, which is due tomorrow at 8:30. That is a pretty important report to remember. So again, Friday, February 3rd, which is tomorrow at 8:30. But anyways, welcome back, my friends, traders, to Grok Trade. Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Thursday, February 2nd of 2012, and as usual, we're getting ready to do some technical analysis here. So let's get started. Check this out. Let's take a look at our Qs chart and see what happened here today. Wow, another high on the Qs here today at 61.41. So as you can see, we keep making higher highs and we keep making higher lows, which means that we are continuing higher. We are still in an uptrend above the 8 moving average, which is here in green at 60.49. And what it means is that we are still bullish according to the 8 moving average. We're still staying above it, continuing higher with higher highs and higher lows. But look at this. Where are we at? Where are we at right now? We are at resistance. And what are we forming here? We are forming a doji at resistance. So be really careful here tomorrow, because we are stuck at the high of yesterday, which we talked about, which was at the 61.24, and we closed the day slightly below it. Okay, we're stuck right at this level. We are at resistance, and we're forming a doji at resistance. So that we just finished the day flat, mixed a little bit here. We are in indecision mode at this moment. So pay close attention to that little guy right there. So what you need to do tomorrow is watch the high of 61.41 as well as the low of today, which was at the 60.97 mark, and also that low area support down here at about 60.83. Watch those guys here carefully, because the 61.41 is a significant number, and then the 60.89 mark is a significant area of support if we ever pull back down, if we ever do. Okay, so that is what you need to watch. If we ever break through the high of today, 61.41, and close above it, then we have some more potential to the upside. But if we do instead pull back down a little bit and break through the 60.89 mark and close below it, then we could head down to that 8 moving average, which is again at 60.49. So the 8 moving average is a significant area of support that I want you to pay close attention to. All right, yeah, so that's what it is here, and that's what happened here today. And check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is hitting our line right here. As you can see, our trend line, or black trend line right here. So we are right hitting it here today. So pay close attention to that guy as well, because it's a very important piece of information. Okay, the MACD needs to confirm everything that we see happening on the chart, and right here I do not see any confirmation. Okay, we're making a new high here on the Qs, but we are not making a new high on the MACD, which is not good. So they do both go in opposite directions. Okay, so we need to see a confirmation on the MACD. And then volume, still pretty good. We're still trading on a pretty nice volume above the average. We're staying above the average, which is good. So keep your eye on those guys right here to have a better view of what's happening. All right, yeah, so that's all that I have for you for today. So again, monthly employment report tomorrow at 8:30, and safe trading to all of you out there tomorrow.